much should I say?
What?
20 subs
For
and
what?
I'll do backwards bowl on my last one.
Oh my gosh.
I'll go between the legs.
Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? Today I've got Nalopia video. It's a continuation of that video that Nal and Dev went bowling and they were competing. Last time we saw the two were really down, like so shit at the game, I'm sorry to say that, but at least they were putting some competition like on their own level. Let's see who's gonna win the game today. Let's just head straight into the video.
I'm a two-pin girly. I love leaving two. I'm a two-pin girly.
She
I love
missed
leaving
it.
two.
She missed it. Again. Dev's done.
Hurt your nail? Your thumb?
No, it hurts this. Yeah. But
So
you're
you're
not meant to, I do it like this.
Come on, let's go.
No, my technique, no. You're meant to go like that.
Yeah, no,
Let's go,
why do you
guys.
do that? No, I do that. Yeah.
do that,
Yeah,
yeah.
I do that. Yeah.
I
do
do
that.
that.
Oh.
Let's see who's got a better technique. Oh yes, she smashed it. That was good.
What is going on? You, when we last bowled, this is exactly what you did. You
Was
were like,
it?
I'm not good, and the first round you were like kind of and then you like stepped it up.
I
This
can't
bitch
get
is
this last
lying.
one.
Looks like Nal needs to up her game.
What the fuck is that?
Oh no. Are your hands like sweaty?
Huh?
Or like greasy?
What?
No.
No? Yeah,
I've got dental wipes in my bag.
but no, me neither.
Ew.
I just feel like the grime from this.
Come on, let's
The
go.
grime from this.
They all, yeah,
They feel
volleyballs
like-
always have a bit. You gotta bring your own. Why
Yeah.
you don't have one
Yeah,
of
we're
your
gonna
own?
start buying our own and bring our own.
BYO. your
Alright,
own
let's
volleyball.
go.
Oh, that looks good. That was down the middle.
Oh, almost.
You
I
are.
can't.
No, you can still get
No,
these,
don't
though.
say that.
Oh, this is the last one as well.
Yeah, yep.
Last chance. She missed it.
Sorry, that was really loud.
That's some aggression.
Oh no.
Well, since I've got the lead,
She missed
chat,
it.
someone drops, how much should I say?
What?
20 subs
For
and
what?
I'll do backwards bowl on my last one.
Oh my gosh.
I'll go between the legs.
You've won anyway.
I know, that's why I can afford to fuck around. I can afford to.
How many fucks? Wait, what is it? How much to fuck around and find out?
Now Nal cannot even talk well. I mean, it's Nal's nature. Amber gets herself in such situations that she wants to say something, but she is not even capable of constructing those sentences. Going back to the beginning of the video where she tells Dave that at the beginning of the game, like she acts like she's not good at it, but as the game progresses, she gets extremely good at it. I mean, we have friends like that in our lives. When you start competing at something, maybe you're playing FIFA, you're playing basketball 2K, and you believe that that day you're gonna beat their ass, bro. Like you can out compete them in this competition, and then as the game progresses they pick up. It's like they get adapted to the game and they bring out a certain game strategy that you did not even imagine that they have, and they end up beating you. And all guys, let me see your thoughts on how they performed with the bowling alley. Did they perform well than when they started the previous video that I've tagged in the card above? Let me know in the comment section down there below. And if you've gone bowling, what's your technique? Do you use grease on the balls? Does the balls hurt your fingers when you play? Let me know in the comment section. And all guys, let me know if you want a continuation of this. If you made to this very end, I hope you really enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the video. Also consider subscribing to the channel, turn on post notification, and let me meet you in the next video. Peace out.